You got your demons, spent seasons on the dark side of the moon. Don't try denying, 'cause you got your demons, spent seasons on the dark side of the moon. Don't try denying, 'cause you know that I've been there too. Right now I know how it feels, like the world's gonna end. But I'll get you through, if it's the last thing I do. I'm gonna love the head out of you, take all the pain that you're going through. I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. You brought resounding techniques for my grounding when I had lost it a little too far from the middle to find some solace from all this exhaustion and monsters of mine. So you better know that I'll bring you home. I'm gonna love the head out of you, take all the pain that you're going through, and I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the head out of me. In the moment you feel half complete, know the moments are temporary, when the fear fuels the fire underneath. I'm gonna love the hell out of you, take all the pain that you're going through, and I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. You've always loved the hell out of me.
This dance is called Bring You Heaven, choreographed by Niels, Poulsen. It's a 48 count, 3 wall, phrase, high intermediate level, rolling 8 count, 9 dance. There are 2 parts in this dance. Part A has 32 count, and Part B has 16 count. The dancing sequence is A, B, B, A, B, B, A 16 count, B, B, ending. Now let me go over the step for Part A. Part A has 32 count. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Cross point, or you can change to right foot twinkle step, left foot twinkle step. Weave with a quarter turn left, cross, side, behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, step forward, pivot half turn left, make another half turn left, stepping back with a sweep, back. 1/8 turn right, stepping to side, point, facing 10-30. Recover on your left foot with a 1/8 turn left, sweep your right foot. Now facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, 5/8 turn right, diamond. Cross, side, 1/8 turn right, stepping back, back, 1/8 turn right, stepping to side, 1/8 turn right, stepping forward. Cross, 118 right stepping to side, 118 right stepping back, facing 430. Left foot, coaster step. For rock, recover. 1 and 118 right rolling mind. 318 right stepping forward, half turn right stepping back with a swing. Into a quarter turn right, side rock, recover. Section 3, right foot, sailor step. Left foot, sailor step. Slightly traveling back. Behind with a swing, behind side cross. Side lunge. 1 and quarter turn left rolling mind. Quarter turn left stepping forward, half turn left stepping back, half turn left stepping forward with a swing. Section 4. Right foot samba collect. Cross, side, 118 right together. Cross, 118 left stepping to side, 118 left together facing 130. Cross, 118 right stepping to side, behind with a swing, behind side cross. 3/4 turn left, quarter turn left stepping back, half turn left stepping forward. Last step now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3, 4 and R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R, 1, 2 R, 3, 4 R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R. That's a step for part A. Now let me show you a 16 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3 and R, 4 and R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R. This is 16 count. Now let me show you the step for part B. Part B has 16 count. Section 1, starting with the right foot. For rock, recover, half turn right, stepping forward. For rock, recover, half turn left, stepping forward. Step right foot forward and scalp hitch your left foot. Back, back. Back rock, recover, quarter turn right, stepping to side. Section 2, behind with a swing, behind side. Cross rock, facing right diagonal, recover side. Cross rock, facing left diagonal, recover side. Forward, full turn to your left, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Now let me show you the count for part B. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R. 1, 2 R, 3, 4 R, 5. 6 R, 7, 8 R. Last step for part B.